Hello everyone, I am Shravani, your daily life coach. Do you know guys, life always does not go as we plan. But every experience teaches us something important. Today I am going to share with you one such experience. Let us now move towards the 11th series of my book.
How I Claimed My New Life.
Here in the 11th chapter, I have explained about the role of
Nurturing supportive relationship and building a strong community.
Friends, navigating a cancer diagnosis is undeniably one of the most challenging journeys. Beyond the medical treatment and physical symptoms, the emotional toll can be really daunting. However, amidst this turmoil, the role of nurturing supportive communities and relationships cannot be overstated. These pillars of support not only provide comfort but also play a crucial role in enhancing the overall well-being and resilience of the individuals battling cancer. So friends, as you know, whenever we are going through such kind of critical situation, we need that emotional support, love and unwavering support. During that time, our family or the caregivers play such a kind of important role. But along with that, if you have a like-minded community, if you have a support group where you can share all your experiences, you can take suggestion how to deal with such crucial time, it is really helpful for us to go through such transition of life where we are really going through lots of uncertainties and fears. And during this time, the platforms like Cancer Support Group, online forums, advocacy organizations also offer invaluable resources and support. Along with that, we need a supportive family, practical assistance, love, empathy and unwavering emotional support. So all this we can expect from our family and near and dear ones. Along with that, these support groups like Cancer Support Group, online forums and advocacy organization helps us to seek advice, to share experiences, and also we find solace among peers who truly understand the intricacies of cancer experiences. Through mutual understanding and solidarity, members of these communities find strength in unity, debunking the feelings of isolation and stigma often associated with cancer. Friends, do you know, during cancer, I was facing like I became one of the untouchable person. Whoever was coming to visit me for my health, they will be standing in a little distance from me because they might be thinking that if they touch me, then they can get affected with cancer. So this is a kind of situation we face in our life whenever we are going through any kind of disease. Even though it is not communicable disease, but still people have that stigma in their life that they think that this is a very critical disease and we should not interact with the patient, and that also creates the loneliness with the patient. And during that time, such groups really helps us to share our views and seek support. So friends, I hope this episode actually helped you to understand what is the role of a community in our life. Let us move towards the concluding part. Thank you so much, all my viewers and subscribers, for staying with me till the end. Your love, your time and support means a lot to me. If this message connected your heart, then please like, share and subscribe. Let us stay connected and be a part of this family.